So I want to do another example. This time I thought I would show you how I'm using reaction summary from the back of chapter 5. And again, when you're looking at this molecule, you have to look at functional groups and you have to count carbons. And so I have, starting with 2 carbons over here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. So I end up having to add 3 carbons. Now, since we've done the previous example, I'm pretty certain, right, that in this instance, that probably what I'll be doing is this. I'll have to add something like this. Again, this would be an acetylide. That would be coming from your starting material over here. And this will be an alkyl halide. The difference here, though, is that I have an alcohol functional group. And you'll notice that I already highlighted here how you would get an alcohol. So one way to get an alcohol is to take a terminal alkene and hydrate it, right? That is, react water with it and do an addition reaction of water. Okay, so knowing that, then you know that what has to be immediately before this, probably something that looks like this. That's my precursor, right? And then how does this relate to this, right? So I'm actually, if you haven't noticed, I'm working this from both ends. So in order to do that, I need to make a triple bond into a double bond. So working in this direction, triple bond into a double bond. You can look at the list of reactions and you'll see this Lindlar's catalyst under the addition of hydrogen reactions. That forms a double bond right there. So I have a way to go from triple bond to double bond, and now I need to work out the details of adding those 2 carbons to the end of a 3-carbon chain. So having said that, let me shrink this up, give myself a little bit more space to work on, and move it out of the way. I have C, sorry, I think I need to move this to the top of the screen or something. I have C, sorry, acetylene. And working off the previous example, NaNH2. If you're wondering, that's actually on the reactions list as well. That's this series of reactions that's down at the bottom here. It's right here, okay? So again, I'll shrink that out of the way, delete that, and then work from there. Okay, so that'll give me HC triple bond C, give me my acetylide ion, to which I will be adding an alkyl halide. And we'll use the alkyl bromide again. And then that will give this product. And those were the pieces, the synthons, as I mentioned in the last, those are the synthons, essentially, that got put together. And now I need to do H2, and Lindlar's catalyst. And that'll give me a double bond. And then the last step would be H plus H2O, and that'll give me my alcohol So that will give me my product that I was looking for there. Okay. Now, to put this all together as a single problem, you would say acetylene, or as a single answer, 1 would be NaNH2. Then you go 2, be CH3CH2CH2Br. And then 3, you'd be Lindlar's catalyst. So that's H2. And then the last bit is the hydration, acid catalyzed hydration. H2O and H+. And that would give you, this is your product.